I always say luxury is a subjective term, but you know it when you see it, and this is what luxury looks like. Cobblestone motor court, classic European style architecture, slate roof, and a handcrafted limestone entryway. This is 258 Pineland Road Northwest in Atlanta's Chastain Park neighborhood. It's 6 bedrooms, 8.5 baths, 10,469 square feet of living space, owned just under 8/10 of an acre on one of Chastain Park's most sought-after streets. It's listed for $6,995,000 by the one and only Joy Myrick with Atlanta Fine Homes. As we pass through the entry foyer into the living room, we have double-wide built-in bookshelves on both sides of the beautiful masonry fireplace, a wall of custom iron and glass sliding doors to the backyard. Actually, we have 2 walls of sliding glass doors, one in the keeping room, which also has a fire rock masonry fireplace, one of 5 fireplaces throughout the home. Notice the rounded bullnose corners on all the sheetrock, a high-end finish that creates a nice soft visual effect. These are 200-year-old reclaimed wood beams on the kitchen ceiling. They really add rustic warmth and visual appeal to a kitchen that is next-level luxury gourmet. You've got marble countertops and backsplash, a professional Thermador 48-inch dual-fuel range. Look how thick this gorgeous marble slab is, topping the naturally finished oak island. Professional-grade Thermador refrigerator and freezer are seamlessly integrated into the handmade inset cabinets, all with quiet close technology. The kitchen almost looks too beautiful to cook in, but it's super functional. It's designed to prepare any meal you or your chef decide to whip up. The Scullery has a cool contemporary design, and this may be the most visually appealing walk-in pantry I've ever seen. It has more of a Star Provisions vibe than Costco, but there's plenty of room for either. I want to give you a close-up of the ceiling in the dining room. This is Pecky cypress. It's a very rare, naturally distressed wood, highly sought after for its unique, rustic look. This is the first time I've ever seen a Pecky cypress ceiling in person. Never seen anything quite like it. I think it's awesome. The home's 4 stories, so of course there's an elevator. Very handy for bringing the Christmas decorations up from the basement. I wish I had an elevator for that. There are 2 custom mudrooms, one at the entrance to each of the dual 2-car garage bays. There are also 2 laundry rooms, this one attached to the main level primary suite, which is one of 2 primary suites. We just passed through the walk-in closet to the ensuite bathroom, a different route than I normally take. Hey there. But I don't normally tour houses that are almost 11,000 square feet, so it's pretty easy to get turned around. We've made our way back to the rear of the home. You can see the pool through the big windows. We're going to go out and have a closer look at that later. We've still got a ton to see inside. Look at the curved wall in the powder room. It adds a softness and sophistication to what would otherwise be a pretty basic room. It's a great example of how subtle finishes can make a house like this so special. I guess while we're on the main level, we might as well go ahead and see the backyard and the pool. Being able to open up 2 huge sets of sliding glass doors to the back really makes this home the pinnacle of indoor-outdoor entertaining. You've got that nice covered bluestone deck with the 3rd fireplace on the main level. And you've got this amazing open pool cabana with a full outdoor kitchen. Of course, the heated saltwater pool itself is pretty spectacular. You see the 10-person hydrotherapy spa. The cabana also has a full bathroom, complete with a shower and a changing station. The backyard is perfectly flat. It's great for sports or outdoor activities. And it's surrounded by old-growth trees, making it super private. You can lounge on the pool's full-length tanning shelf without being gawked at by the neighbors. Back inside, we'll check out the 2nd level. Remember, there are 4 levels, including the basement. This one has 5 bedrooms and 5 full bathrooms, including the 2nd owner's suite. The main level owner's suite was very nice, but this one is out of this world. It's enormous. There's a morning bar with a beverage center, a magnificent sitting room with a marble-lined fireplace, built-in bookshelves, and look at this cathedral ceiling. One of the most dramatic statement ceilings you'll ever see. There are amazing views of the pool from the big windows, and you can get an even better view from the covered bluestone deck. Have you ever seen a private bedroom deck quite like this? Shiplap ceiling, amazing views. It has its own fireplace, the second fireplace in the owner's suite. And it has 2 secret rooms that would flank the headboard of the bed. These would be super handy for a philandering guy like Donald Draper. He could hide his girlfriends from Betty. I'm in no way condoning that type of behavior. It was just the first use case that popped into my mind. The bathroom is also out of this world. Another dramatic vaulted ceiling. Built-in soaking tub surrounded by marble. The floors are heated towel rack, and you have got to see this shower. 5 shower heads, 4 body sprays, marble bench, a cool transom window, floor-to-ceiling tile. This is a power shower. And did I show you the dual vanity? It's topped with marble. There are also separate his and hers water closets. This bathroom has just about everything you could dream of for a luxury primary bath. I can't think of anything else to add. Now, if you're buying a home like this, I'm guessing that you have a pretty sizable wardrobe. And the good news is you are going to have ample space to store everything and plenty of room to keep on shopping. You can convert this section into a racquetball court or put a closet island here and make this the ultimate high fashion hub. There's even a bonus closet within the closet. This would be, I guess, a great space for very seasonal items that you don't need to access very often. All the other bedrooms on this level are terrific. They're very spacious. They're en suite. They have walk-in closets, but we are going to have to kind of fly through them because I want to show you everything, which includes 2 more levels. This is the second laundry room. It even has a farmhouse sink, shiplap walls, and nice built-ins. This home is zoned for the highly sought-after Jackson Elementary School. Both of my kids went there for a while. We actually used to live 1 street over on Hillside Drive. Our home was not quite like this, but we absolutely loved the neighborhood. The school was fantastic. From here, it's a very short walk to Chastain Park, which includes a golf course, a few miles of great paths for walking or running, a huge fun playground that's always filled with lots of kids, plus the NYO Northside Youth Organization fields, renowned for its youth baseball, softball, and football programs. And there's also Chastain Horse Park, an equestrian facility, Chastain Pool that's always packed and super fun for families during the summer. And last but not least, Chastain Park Amphitheater, one of the most unique and fun venues to watch a concert in the Southeast. They book top-notch national performers, and it's a table setup. People bring white tablecloths, candelabras, elaborate meal spreads, their favorite beverages. It's like a fine dining experience. Oh, here's the elevator access for this level. Back to the Chastain Park Amphitheater experience. It's just a magical combination of bring your own outdoor fine dining and amazing music. Concerts start and end pretty early, and they have very strict noise requirements, so we never heard the music inside our home. You can see with all those amenities why Chastain is such a highly sought after, popular neighborhood. It's also minutes from all of the world-class shopping, dining, and entertainment that make Buckhead such an Atlanta cultural hub. Let's go have a look at the 3rd level. Remember, there is elevator access to all 4 levels. You don't have to run up the stairs like me. Look at all of this open space. You can use your imagination for what you want to fill it with. I would want to make it the ultimate home library / study / office. But it would make a great studio, fitness room, game room. You could run mahjong and poker games up here at the same time. There's a full bath. It's a very nice tiled frameless glass shower. There's also tons of storage space on this level. Look at the decking in this attic space and just how clean everything is. It's just a testament for the quality of the construction in this home. Before we go downstairs, I want to show you this is the elevator access in case you were wondering what that box was in the middle of the room. Finally, I want to give you a quick glimpse of the basement. It has elevator access and another almost 3,600 square feet of space that can be finished, bringing the total square footage up to over 14,000. It is quite an impressive estate. I'm Brian Pruitt. My wife Kelly and I are local realtors. We would love to show you this amazing estate in person. Our contact information is in the link in our bio. I hope you enjoy the tour.